Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of using a massage gun on the forearm. So one of the important things that you want to know before you give yourself a massage is, where are the muscles? So with the forearm, there's about 20 muscles in the forearm, but we're only going to focus on 3. So to find those muscles, you take your hand, you put it right there in the middle, close your hand, open your hand, close it. When you close it, you feel those muscles engage. When you open it, they're lengthening. So when they become overly tight, it can affect your ligaments and your tendons. We know prevention is better than the cure, so we want to take care of ourselves, giving ourselves a nice massage. One of the other things that's important to know is pressure point. So you have a pressure point about right there. So you go to the elbow, about an inch that way, right there. Press down with the thumb. When you feel some tenderness, that's your pressure point. So one of the benefits of using the massage gun is you can go to that spot and you don't have to sit there and press a lot. You just put your arm right on the table and just let the gun do its work. And it'll help to release tension there in the arm. One of the other things you can do is you can work the length of the muscle. You find the muscles and you can work the length. But what you can also do is you have this nice little cool attachment here. You could do something called cross fiber. What's cross fiber? Cross fiber is, I think I turned it off. I did. Turn that back on. There we go. When the light's on, it's blue, you know it's on. So press that. Cross fiber, you're going right across the muscle belly. And that is helping to lengthen the muscle. It's always good to take time out to massage those muscles to keep them in proper health. Because we know that prevention is better than the cure. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. Until next time, thanks a lot and take care.